pandemic coronavirus, please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in math and science in PDF file which is uploaded onto your school website Hartford, you are doing it in your homework of your own time, because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. And today I will upload chapter 2. Okay, not solution. I will upload question, because whatever solution, whatever examples of chapter 2 that I have already explained in that video. So please go and watch it, and with the help of that example you can solve the question of chapter 2. So today I will upload chapter 2. Those students who already bought book, they can do. And those students who did not bought the book, for them I will upload, but I will suggest you please go and buy book. So today I will explain new chapter, chapter 13, geometrical construction. Chapter 13, geometrical constructions. Okay. So come to page number 160. First topic is to draw a line. To draw a line perpendicular to a given line, at a given point, on it with a protector. So everyone knows what is protector and what is compass. If you don't know, again I am showing half moon, that you say half moon. This is known as protector. This is known as set square. So there are two types. When you will buy geometry box, okay, you will find two type of set squares. One is this length and one is this length. This is known as set square A. This is known as set square B, and this is known as protector. And compass, you know already, that needle one. Okay, this is known as compass. You can see this is known as compass. Okay, so in this chapter you need protector, both set square A, set square B, and compass. Right now I don't have protector, but I will draw roughly. But when you will draw construct this type of question in your copy, you have to use compass, protector, and set square. So first question is to draw a line perpendicular to a given line at a point on it with a protector. So here you need protector. So take MN is a line. Maybe in your book there will be some question will be given. So here I am taking MN is a line. Okay. See here any MN is a line. Okay, M and N. Okay, MN is a line and O is a point on it. Okay, here I am just taking O. You can take here, you can take that anywhere. After that, we have to draw a line perpendicular to M and at point A. We have to draw a line perpendicular to M and point A. So what I will do, so you just take a protector, okay? Protector, I am just drawing protector. If protector is like this, okay? Okay, this is the protector. Here is some degree it is given. So what you have to do, you have to keep the protector on line MN, and you have to draw a perpendicular line along with O. Means this perpendicular line with pass from O, and this is totally straight. Okay, from this side also and from this side also. You have to keep protector for this side, and again you have to keep protector this side. So this point will be known as A, and this point will be known as B. In last we can write what AB is the required line perpendicular, this is the sign of perpendicular to MN. Okay, AB is a line, AB is the required line perpendicular to M1 at O. So therefore we can write AB perpendicular MN. This AB is perpendicular MN. Maybe in your question it is given the length of MN will be given. Maybe the length of MN will be 5 cm, 6 cm. So there we have to go according to the question. Now I will move to next topic. Now come to next topic. Draw a line perpendicular to a given line. The given point on it with a set square. Now we have to use set square. So I have already showed you set square. So this is your question. What we have to do here? We want to draw a line perpendicular to AB at C with set square. So let A be a line and C on. So take any point. With the help of protector, what we have taken any point. So what you do, just take any point. Okay, any line. I am here taking line AB. Okay, just you can write here. Let take AB a line and mark a point C on it. Okay, this is coming to solution. Here, what you have to do, we draw a line perpendicular to AB at C with a set square and take set square A. Okay, set square A is like that. I am just showing you the picture. Okay, you have to place. Sorry, here first mark here C. Okay, this is your point C. You can take here or here, but when we will solve question, maybe it is length will AB will be given, maybe it will say in a between of C. So what you have to do, you have to keep set square here on C. Okay, this point line should be here, and you have to draw a line, and this point will call what? D. So you can write DC is the required line. This is the required line what? Perpendicular to what? This is required line perpendicular to AB on at C. Therefore AB, sorry, you can write DC perpendicular. Therefore, BC perpendicular. Okay, DC. We have to write this because whenever we solve geometry type question, we have to write some construction. It's a step of construction you need to write. Okay, whatever you have seen with the help of protector, also then you have to write let A be a line here. I take let A be a MN a line now, and we mark point C on it. And after that, with the help of protector or with the help of set square, we draw a perpendicular line. In last, you will write this is the required line perpendicular to AB at C. In last, you just write therefore this is perpendicular to AB. So this is the step of construction. Whenever you solve such type of construction geometry question, you have to write the step of construction, because there you will get marks in your exam when you will solve such type of question. Okay, student. So now in the lesson number 2, I will go for next topic.